Emma and the Rainbow Door. One rainy afternoon, Emma saw something strange in her backyard, a shimmering rainbow door. She touched it, and whoosh! The door swung open, pulling her inside. Emma gasped. She was in a magical world filled with floating colors, talking clouds, and golden butterflies. A tiny bluebird fluttered to her. "Welcome. This is the land of colors. But something is wrong. The purple color is missing." Emma looked around. The rainbow in the sky had a big gap where purple should be. "How can we fix it?" she asked. The bluebird pointed to a sparkling purple gem on a faraway hill. "That's the missing color. Can you bring it back?" Emma ran toward the hill, dodging bouncing paint splashes and dancing sunbeams. She grabbed the purple gem and hurried back. As soon as she placed it in the sky, zap! The rainbow became whole again. "Thank you, Emma," the colors cheered. The rainbow door reappeared, and Emma stepped through, back to her backyard. She smiled up at the sky. The rainbow winked at her. The end.